Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our GBPUSD trade analysis. Now, this is the third time I'm recording this. Every time I record it, it messes up. So, I'm doing this for you guys. So, just drop a thumbs up button. So, this is our trades. This is the review for the trades we took last week, and I'm going to take you guys step by step. But we're going to save a lot of time now. Look at this chart. It's on a daily time frame of GBPUSD. Now, someone was asking me, how comes GBPUSD just reversed all of a sudden? It was supposed to just come, create another high, higher low, and move up. But we all know the market. Impulsive move corrections. Now, let me show you a reason why it bounced from that. Now, let's pull up a Fibonacci tool from this level to this point down here. Now, you can see that's a 61.8 retracement level. You get? That's why the market just came back and bounced up there. So we expect a continuation to the downside a little bit. If it's continue up, it will break some levels like this trend line and continue up. So let's look at the trades we had last week. Let's drop down to the far time frame. Now, you guys, don't trade blindly. Every time I post setups in our Telegram group, just a minute, let me show you guys. Here's our Telegram group, guys. We have grown by 155 members, guys. 3 weeks, 155 members. Everyone's bagging. Now let's look at our YouTube channel. 80 subscribers. Now, thank you guys for watching. Let me remove this. Shit. Thank you guys for watching our previous video. It got 73 views. You guys are pushing the channel, so thank you guys. Now let's look at the trades without wasting much time. So the market the market began from around this level last week and had a bullish move, then a bearish move. Now let's drop down. Now you can see right now it's in a bullish channel because of its true this upper trend and a down now bullish trend line. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Now there's another inside channel, which is this one, which also didn't last. It broke down and bounced down. Now let's see the 15-minute time frame. So let's see the 15-minute time frame, guys. Sorry for pausing that. Just had a small. So these are the trades we took last week. We didn't have any loss last week, according to the trades we sent to the Telegram group. So if you missed the trades, just go up in the Telegram group. The link is in the description and scroll up. You saw these trades and the results. Now, this was the Monday. Market dropped. We didn't take this trade because it was the Asian range. And we can see it bounced off a trend line and just rallied up. Weak rejections, rallied up. Now, we woke up to the Asian range. We drew this trend line from here. Point A. Point B, we didn't take the sell because it's giving us buy confirmations that the week will be bullish. Now, when it came back to this level, now this is where I called out the signal. I'm like, I'm looking for buys from this zone because of this psychological level and this trend line. What I'll be looking for is a W pattern, which it formed here and bought. Though some of my members, the reason why I put this buy tool is some of my members took that trade to this around this level. Now we know in our mentorship, there's a way we set our take profits. We don't put them at exactly a point, but a few pips down and you take profit before reach exact point, because we know the market sometimes changes on the way. Now, when it gave us W, now this was the perfect entry after this engulfing. It would have given us some few pips, but we don't leave pips on the table, we take profit. Now, this was our other buy, which came on Tuesday. We called this trade because this was a retracement of this move. Impulsive move correction or retracement. So the reason why we took it was psychological level of 1.225. Then there's a W pattern, though we took the trade from here after this weak rejection. So sometimes the market, there's a way to trade it, and I want to share that strategy unless you join our mentorship, guys. So it's kind of cheap, so we should talk about that. We're not here about the mentorship, we're here for financial freedom, guys. So this was the push, took us up to this psychological level. It took profit and waited for a W pattern form Came back, gave us weak rejections, engulfed it, 3 week rejections on a trend line, psychological level, and another strategy of ours, and moved up. Now when sample missed the entry because it was early, but when it came back down here to retest this trend line, the guys started stacking, it rallied up. Now remember this point, this is a 61.8 retracement level of the daily. That's why it bounced from there. And there's this channel, the upper line of the channel. Remember it? Remember it? It's here. So it's not that, it's here. So it bounced from there. Let's go on. So came back here the next day. We bought from here because of a W pattern, psychological level, previous resistance and support. Shot up to up. Our take profit was at this psychological level. Now, when it came here, we drew a trend line. We thought it would rally down here and give us an attack and rally it back, since this was our level. But we have one move in our minds. It has to come back and test this level again to give us a perfect aim. That's what happened. Price came back, touched this pattern, dropped. Now this was FOMC or CPR, doesn't matter, but this was news. Now this was a good strategy to trade news, guys. There's a trend line which was broken. There's a nice fake out. They faked out very many guys, but there's a psychological level where it bounced from, and there's previous resistance and support which showed this market is still bouncing up, and it pushed up to that level. So we didn't trade the Asian range from all this stuff. So we woke up and market was rallying, so we expected it. We drew a trend line there very fast, and all we wanted is to pull back to this zone and drop again. So we sold this market. Now go check the Telegram group, all these things are there. Come in here, scroll up, just scroll up if you want anything. Scroll up and you'll see how all these setups were called. You just see how all these setups, I think this was the buy, so the sell is kind of below. Guys, this is me, I look good. So let's look at the buy, the sell. So this was the sell from around this level. We had to go, if it was to come and push down and give us confirmation for a buy, I would wait for a break of structure and buy, but it rallied down. So now let's see, this is the second setup. So when it broke and came back to this order block, now we use, there's a tool we use, which I'm going to show you in a few. We expected a pullback, then a drop, form an M, then a drop, which would allow us to stack more positions in here. So this is what happened. We use order blocks with signals. We didn't study SMC, a lot of that. So we just use order blocks with signals. So it gave us an M here. We started stacking from here, but when it gave us another nice touch of this trend line, here, there's this point here. We sold. Ooh, those were some good pips, 133 pips. So close out all positions. No, close out 80% of positions and left some to run. Now this is a down order block. That's why it bounced. That's why it bounced from there. So when we woke up, Asian range, it was consolidating. So our major intention was for it to pull back here, but it didn't. But when it gave us this M, I don't know what this is. This is a flag, I think. So when it gave us that M here, we sold this pair. Chop chop. Now calculate this distance. Where is our ruler to? This distance from here to here, 57 pips. It's what we came here and considered. Like our take profit is the next 67 pips. This is around our take profit, 67 pips around there. Guys, see the beauty of understanding the markets. So we're done for Friday. Now market, I analyzed the market is at the Friday night, and had given us another nice pattern which we didn't trade. So this M pattern, psychological level, M pattern, psychological level. Then there's this confluence I hate talking about. It's only for mentorship student. And there's a trend line. It dropped. There's psychological level. Now what do you expect next week? Let's see next week what do you expect. We expect a push down. If we see the market breaking this channel, we shall sell. But it can do this and reverse back. What will happen? Let's wait for Monday to analyze the markets. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Let's grow. Invite your friends, trader friends, to the Telegram group. Let's grow, guys. Financial freedom is a goal. Have a good evening.